Hey, this is Dan Lehman from No Code Now, your email newsletter for the latest updates in the world of no code. If you haven't subscribed, you can do so using the link in the description below. Notion is starting to get serious about being a database tool. So while it's known for its knowledge management hub, in this latest release, you can now automate workflows using your databases. There's also improved Formulas 2.0 functionality. Certifications in the no-code space are starting to heat up. Most notably, Bubble has released its developer certification. Glide has now created a multi-tier certification program. And SmartSuite is giving you a free certification if you take their free training sessions. Webflow just finished their conference, and one of the most exciting features is the ability to create immersive 3D experiences. The Power Apps conference wrapped, and now you can have the ability of Copilot harnessed with Power Apps, both to create new applications as well as extend it out for your end users so they get the functionality of Copilot. Coda 4.0 released introducing multiple AI functionalities, plus the ability to have two-way sync with external applications and sync pages within the application. N8n is now integrated with LangChain, allowing you to create your own AI functionality trained on your own datasets. Airtable's updated their formatting for numbers and currency, making it much easier to work with large numbers. Weweb has introduced a couple of plugins, most notably NPM. Retool's workflows were previously in beta and are now generally available to the public. Supabase lets you broadcast real-time messages via their API and has a new wrapper available for Airtable. Frame.so is a minimalist collaboration tool for your team, allowing you to work on tasks, wikis, whiteboards, goals, and notes all in one place. Induced is a tool to let you create virtual agents who can complete manual tasks in your browser. And finally, Datatera is a tool that lets you take files and website and convert that to structured data. To get the latest in your inbox next week, make sure to subscribe to the No Code Now newsletter.